Hi, this is Vikas Singh. Welcome to BMSS YouTube channel. Today I will explain about Roman numerals. Dear students, in our previous video I told you about the symbols of the Roman numbers. I told you about the symbols of the Roman numbers. Today I will explain how can we obtain other numbers by using Roman numbers. So students, to obtain other numbers there are certain rules. So first of all, the rule number one is equal to repetition of a numeral means addition. Means if we repeat any numerals, then that means addition. For example, we repeat this number in 3 times. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And second example is x and x. This will be 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. This is the repetition. Repetition means addition. Here is the x is repeated 2 times and here is the add 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, and here 1 in Hindu Arabic number this is called 1. So this is repeat as 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1, this will be 3. This is the repetition rules. This is the repetition of numbers means addition. Always remember dear students, a numerals cannot be repeated more than 3 times. A numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Second topic is the note. We will add note V, L and D cannot be repeated. Cannot be repeated. Second rule is the if a symbol with a smaller value is written before a symbol having a greater value, then we subtract the value of the first symbol from the value of the second symbol. If a symbol with a smaller value is written before a symbol having a greater value, for example, rule 2, example 2, rule is the if a symbol with a smaller value written before a symbol having a greater value, suppose that this is the greater value and a symbol is written before this value, this means subtraction. Then we subtract the value of the first symbol from the value of the second symbol. This is the value. The greater value is 5 and the smaller value is written before 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And next example is Ix is equal to, the value of x is 10 and minus 1 is equal to 9. Written is the xl. The value of x is equal to 10 and value of l is equal to 50. So 50 is the greater value and x is written on the before of the x. then this will be 50 minus 10, 40. This is the second rule. Rule third is the if a symbol with a smaller value is written after a symbol having greater value. Example लेते हैं. Example, if a symbol with a smaller value written after a symbol having a greater value, right? This is the greater value, this is the smaller value, and smaller value is written after a symbol. Then we add the value. This is the 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Second example, this 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. By using these rules, we can make a number. Rule 4 is equal to, for expressing number greater than 10, the numbers are first split into terms of the tens and the ones. Suppose that we have a number. Example लेते हैं. We have a number 29. So first split the number in the form of tens. Split the 29. 10 plus 10 plus 9. Because 9 cannot be split in the forms of tens. So 10 plus 10 means x. This is the x, and 9 means I x. This is the 9. We can write as 29. For example, 19. Split the 19 into tens form. 10 plus 9. We write the 10 as x and 9 as, this is the 19. So here are the, by using these rules, we can make a number